bro. Did you get that? What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're jumping right back into another Predator Ghost install, and we are putting a brand new Predator Ghost back on this drift cart, and we're gonna get some rips in this time. I have some pretty crazy news that I'm quite excited about. I was actually able to link up with Harbor Freight, and they wanted to sponsor not only this video but the channel, and they sent us out another Predator Ghost and the accessory kit. So that's yet another upcoming video that I'll be able to share with you guys as far as trying this thing out and showing you what this off-the-shelf race car engine has to provide for us. The beautiful part about today's install is it's going to be literally putting this engine on. Thank God it's already set up. I have my fitting chilling ready to go, so it's going to be probably a 10-minute process, so that's definitely going to be a time lapse for you boys. But look at this, my guys. We have a beautiful engine tower over here. I actually had the 224 sitting on top, but it's awesome. I am so excited. Last video I said that younger me would be crying if I knew that Harbor Freight was making a race car engine that you can buy off the shelf. Well, this time it's much more exciting to think that Harbor Freight actually reached out and was able to hook us up, man. Like that is insane, and I just want to really take this time to thank you guys, because like my life has seriously changed since putting my head down and just doing the content grind, which is a huge jump in itself, especially being an ex-college student. Hey, shout out your boy. But yeah, that's so awesome. Things are moving right now, boys, and I'm just real excited to see where this is going to take us. So I do want to just shout you guys out and say thank you for all the support. Let's get into this freaking install. And again, tuning into the last video, it was making a noise, but if you do watch the whole video, you'll know that like it was sort of uncertainty that made me want to return it.
It doesn't sound right, that's for sure.
I even said I could be tripping, I don't know, but it is what it is, boys. Alright guys, everything's on, oil's in this baddie, exhaust is on, that's it. Will that take me 30 minutes? Now we're just going to see how many pulls for this guy. Should be simple. I have not put the chain on yet, so. There's your running race engine. So, even got a second opinion here. They're definitely, it's just these engines. They just sound different, simply. Unless I got unlucky twice, which I highly doubt. So, my apologies, Harbor Freight. Returning that was no big deal, but hey, played it safe. I'm glad I did. Let's let her idle for a bit, cruise her around. You know, I'm ready to get those 10 hours done, huh? All right, y'all, just got the Ghost installed. I have been putting this thing around here or there, putting it around at the homie's house. We're about to go drifting. I have this thing just on rubber. I'm gonna be following close, getting some clips for y'all. Sheesh. Got the fleet out here, the boys out here at the wheel shop.
We need to make a tire machine for something like this, man.
Deadass. No shame in the croc game either. Hammer like millimeters away.
Right here, all the protection.
You got the steel toe ones?
Hell yeah.
My boy Nick's running a fairly new engine too. The good old 224. Which I have one of these in the box as well, and I'm excited to see. He's already running a carb on it. Good old governor delete, so we're gonna see what it does next to the Ghost. Dude, you got a full race kit. This boy belongs on the track.
Be ashamed if someone drifted, huh?
I know. Be ashamed to drift this and destroy it, huh? Hey, dog, over here, we're doing some carb work or what?
It's not going up all the way anymore.
Oh no, dude, that's a limit. That's crazy. People think we're wizards. Dang, you shit on my day. They get nifty around here, boys, let me tell you. You can pull it out, or we can flex it next to the 240, whatever you want to do.
Shit, that's probably bigger flex, huh?
They do real drifting around here. Not none of this go-kart shit. Oh yeah, we out here again. I think we've given the Ghost enough time to break into, give this thing to beans. So I have some PVC on this guy. Real thin guys today. I'm running 3-inch wide, which is something I usually don't do. So we're gonna test it out. We're out here ripping with Nick and Nate again. There's their tags. Insane drivers, but we are in a cool little Mexico spot. Just a little layout. One of my favorite ways to drive, neighborhood style. Basically, a neighborhood that was never built. So we're going to use these cul-de-sacs to our benefit and try to get some tandems in. I'm running the helmet cam again, so bear with me there. Let's see what we can do, guys. We're setting up, right? My hair's crazy. I know it's windy, but we're setting up, right? It's like a random like runoff road, but a cop came by and stops and is like, "What are you guys about to do?" And I'm like, "Nothing." So essentially, we ended up getting the green light to rip right here. So.
Yeah. It got tight, and then when you loosened it up, when it got tight, it pulled some slack out.
Guys, I got a t-shirt coming just for that scenario where your go-kart wants to kill you. I I got you. Oh, man.
Interested in music videos?
I'm good, honestly.
Like just to be in the music videos, fucking doing your shit?
Oh, sure. Why not?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Oh, you guys have like a card or...
Hey, I got an Instagram. It's right on the back of my truck. Alright guys, GoPro cam, but look at the difference right here. We're going from about 3" to about 4 1/4, 4 to 4 1/4. So I want to show you guys the difference. It does matter. That's what new sleeves will do to you. Not wanting to smash your friend's cart. Hello, Mr. GoPro, did you get that? That hurt my ankle, dude. I think I broke something on this. Right? Had to have. Steering? Front wheels? Yeah, front wheels. Oh! Mr. Angle Plate said.
Oh, I see.
Mr. Angle Plate left the chat, fellas. Hold on, we gotta get that. Bro, I literally was sitting there. We do like a perfect entrance, it's all good. I see you start to spin, I'm literally just like, this is it. Grab my e-brake and I just close my eyes and just,
That's all you can do, man. I thought I was going into the curb. If I didn't spin, then I would have.
Wow. What an unfortunate way to end the day, but that's just how it goes, guys. I'd say I've gotten a fair enough taste of the Predator 212 Ghost to say that I definitely think it is worth it for what it is. I mean, I've already had so much fun on it just out of the box. I know there's so much more upgrading to do as well. Yeah, I appreciate you guys riding along with me. I can't believe I returned the first one over that noise. I can confirm that the noise is a little bit weird and it might take some getting used to, but your engine's fine. I was tripping. But yeah, thanks again for watching the second install of one of these things and waiting for the full review. I'm glad I got to take it out with some buddies and actually see what it's like against a normal 212 and just put some power down on some PVC, because that's my main sauce. If you want to stay tuned with some stuff that I do on the side, make sure you're following my Instagram, TikTok, all that good stuff. It'll all be down in the description below. Also, nice subscription to the YouTube, man. You guys have been really supporting me lately and I cannot thank you enough. Wynn's killing it, but much love, boys. Thanks again. Peace.